Alright, let the fun begin. See if we can get this clutch out of here and see how bad it is. First thing I'm noticing is it's not even. So it's pushed in further here than it is here, which means that clutch wasn't installed properly when the last person did it. That's supposed to be balanced evenly. Alright. Find something. Clutch is junk. Oh Lord. Woohoo. Nice. Lot of heat spotting. Woo, look at that dust. Wow. Whew. Look at that. It's definitely burnt. Come out in pieces. You can see we're starting to hit the rivets. Cindy definitely did a number on this one. So clutch kit it is. Show up Jimmy. Everybody say hi, Jimmy. Jimmy. Anyway, I'm getting close to it now.
It's not cold in here.
What?
It's not cold.
I'm cold.
I was doing one.
I was too.
Look at all the trees that we gotta cut down.
Everybody gets to go along for the ride.
We do wait for 5 minutes for you to cut.
Old school diesel.
I can wait for 4 hours and your dad tries chopping my foot off.
Fence check. We just always like to go through every once in a while. We check all the fences, make sure the horse doesn't get out. He's a pain, but you know, gives us an opportunity to go for a ride. tree down before it goes. You know what? On the days that I'm not working and we're doing stuff out in the yard and whatnot, this is the view we get to see. I love it here.
Popping out of your boyfriend's truck, be like, no, this
Dust off your butts.
Alright guys, with that, we're about done here. Obviously I have to order parts for the green Focus because someone smoked the clutch in it. I'm not saying any names, Cindy.
I break every vehicle.
Yeah, she's right there. So, I'm gonna have to order the parts for that. So obviously we're not gonna see it on the channel for at least a few days. Then we're gonna be getting on some of the classics. We're gonna be getting on Jeremy's truck. It's time to start getting some of these projects finished. Because I'm telling you, these classic cars are definitely needing done. Hello, beautiful.
Hi.
So we'll get that done. Get Jeremy's truck done. Get the green Focus out of here so we don't have to deal with it anymore. Hello, hello, hello. Today I'm actually quite dressed up. We are going to Sk8 to Eliminate Cancer event. Can you pop the trunk, please, kiddo? We're going to the Sk8 to Eliminate Cancer event, and it's my kids doing skating, and they're going to be skating for the Scott Hamilton Foundation. So that's why this week has been crazy. That is why I have been running like a mad person, and that is why I need to find my sanity. So I'm throwing my junk in the trunk here. We are going to roll on out, and I'm not going to be able to video there, obviously, but I can at least try to get you some video. I'll get you some video on the way over, yada yada yada. So we'll hop in the car and let's roll. All right, girls.
Did you videotape or take pictures of any of it?
We got a little bit of video on our phones, but I wasn't allowed to take my big camera in.
Why?
Because, you know, the whole, they had professional photographers thing.
So, right now we are just going home, like we always do. Yeah, or me, Moms. Because, you know, we love to go there. Can I vlog? I'm eating my Hershey's bar right now. Yeah, I don't like cameras.
I have to give it to Haley, let her do a little bit.
There's Haley, and for now, bye-bye. Until next time.
Haley, you get a panning view of...
Bye, Kimberly.
So you girls were able to be on the ice with Scott Hamilton
And
more than once.
Yep. And I have my shirt signed. It says, I don't know if you can see it, but it says Scott Hamilton. And then down here, it says Alyssa. Melissa. I don't know if you see it. But, so, I got both of their autographs. And then I got a paper and I got a selfie with Scott Hamilton on my phone. But then my phone died, which was sad, but life's good.
It's an Impala SS. That's nice.
Woo. It's not road sale.
And so the sun sets on another crazy, crazy weekend.
Yep.
Did you girls have fun?
Yeah.
Who'd you get to chill with today?
Scott Hamilton.
How neat was that?
What?
I said, how neat was that?
It was awesome.
Yeah.
My
All because my girls went to Sk8 to eliminate cancer. So remember, guys, there's Scott Cares. It's an organization that helps fund cancer research from Scott Hamilton. You should really check it out. I was proud of my kids for skating in it, and it was definitely worth the crazy ass week that we went through.
It's Scott.
Until the next time, we'll see you on the flip side.